Today, class, we're going to be talking about what's so cool about manufacturing.
Huh?
Oh, never mind. Let me just show you. There we go. Welcome to TPI. Let's go in. What is TPEI?
So TPEI is a smaller company here in Lehigh, Pennsylvania. What we do here is we actually make the machines that make plastic.
What is the size limit between the largest and smallest object you've made?
We make these things, they're called injector pins. They're about 1/4 inch thick, but they're like 16 or 17 inches long. And then there's some things that we make that we get a hunk of steel in that's like 5,000 pounds.
What would I have to do to get a job in manufacturing?
I would recommend going to a trade school. You can get a good degree in a trade school, even a local vocational school, and it'll give you the basics that you need to hone your skills out in the field.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
You tell us that you're in an internship. How does that work?
I go to school in the morning, leave school around 11 o'clock, and then I come here. It breaks the day up from school to work, and you're making money doing what you're studying.
Most of my friends don't know what manufacturing is. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
So manufacturing is kind of what makes the world go round. Manufacturing has something to do with everything that you see.
My pizza!